Yo, what is up, my fallopian tubers? Cesario from the Vario. That's my tent right there. That's my green tent from the Vario, coming back at you with another video for your butt. And I'm here camping at the beach. And I'm bringing a couple of packs with me right now. I'm gonna stroll down the beach and open up a hobby pack of Bowman and Prism. So, tag along. Ciao. Man, check it out. Look what I found walking the beach. Let's take a closer look. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Check it out. This is scary. Woo! Ciao! Oh, I found shelter in a cave that I guess those people in the shipwrecked boat found shelter in this cave right here that I'm in. Lumpy. Say hi, LSP. And there's Puppy Chow running down. Puppy Chow, you don't want to come in the cave with me? So I'm in this cave. Now I'm going to open up these packs for you. Alright, here we go, guys. Let's see what we get. We get any fire from the Prism or the Bowman. So my first day on my camping trip, man, going great. I'm on the beach. Drinking my beer. Oh yeah, baby. Now I'm like in a real cave, guys. I mean, this thing is legit cave. Alright, so let's start off with the Bowman. Let's see what we get from the Bowman. So in the Bowman, let's see, we got ourselves a Gore. If there's anything good, I'll turn it around. There is a nice and shiny Perez. We got a Sanchez. A Tyler Weiner, Bowman's first 100. Ciao! And another Chinese, Michael Chavis. Chavez Ravine, Louisiana Sausage. We got Cedric Mullins, Justice Sheffield, and Chance Adams rookie card with the Yankees. Alright, so nothing to write mom home about. But here we go with the Prism pack. Let's see what we get out of Prism. So we got a Chris Sale. We got a Derek Rodriguez, Pudge's son. Michael Kopech coming back from his ACL, right? Tommy John, Jose Abreu, Luis Ortiz. We got a David Wright, so shiny. We got a Ryan O'Hearn, it's a blue one. Nice. And check out this China of Alex Bregman. Ciao! Man, that's nice. What is that? Machines. I thought it was Mockness. And check it out. We got a numbered card of Isaac Galloway. You can see it's numbered. What is it? 3 out of 35. Ciao. We got ourselves a Derek Cole, a Walker Buehler, and a Cole Stewart. So that ends it up, guys. Love the hobby. Keep collecting baseball cards forever. And say, ciao. Puppy Chow. You can do it, Puppy Chow. Come on. Cross the river. Yeah, Puppy Chow. Lumpy lumps. So love the hobby, people. Keep collecting baseball cards forever, I say. Ciao. Live from my tent me.